Okay, today your regular guru is unavailable, so instead you're stuck with me. I will be teaching you the basic mathematics. Okay, so open up the FLA that is found in the description of this video, and we will be him. So you to start with, we got a couple of input text boxes. This one is number 1, underscore txt. We have number 2. We have popo text, which is what the operator will be, like plus, minus, divide, etc. And then we have the output txt, which is where the answer goes to our equation. So if you press F9, you can see we have some code to make this work. First up, we have a variable called opok. That is the operator, that is where it gets saved to. Then you have variable c, which is our output, our answer. Then you got that calculation, event listener here. This one who works for the button, which is the calculate button. And then underneath, we have the codes. So variable a is the first number, and we are dictating lower number here, which tells it that the number is the darker pipe as opposed to a string like our operator down here. So we have variable a will be whatever we type into number 1 txt. So whatever we type into this box will become variable a, and whatever we type in this box will become variable b. And then depending on the operator we type in here will depend on what happens down here in the misconditional statement. So this one here will save whatever we type into our operator box. And then depending on what we say, if the operator is an addition, a plus symbol, then it will be c equals a plus b, and etc. depending on whatever the operators are. It is as simple. And then lastly, it is output into a string as variable c. Now to test it, press Ctrl and enter. Let us do it. Two numbers, 2 times 3. 6. 1 plus 2. Our maths is flawless, and now you have done the impossible. You have made basic mathematics in ActionScript. Thank you so much for watching. I don't know if I'll ever come back, but we'll see.